Are you at the point in your project where you need to find a psychometric instrument? In this video, we'll show you how to use PsycTESTS to find measures for your academic needs. Once in the database, before we begin to add terms to the search boxes, we'll set some important limits to our search. Under the More search options, below the main search boxes, we'll think about what options apply to the kind of instrument we need. For instance, say we're working with a 20-year-old. We can select the tag Adulthood 18 years and older in the age group box toward the bottom. That will focus our results on those instruments that relate to that demographic. We'll probably also want a test that we can use for academic purposes. Otherwise, our results list will include commercial tests that we would need to purchase. We will check off May use for teaching research in the permissions box towards the top of the options section. As we return to the main search boxes at the top, we'll also check off full text, just under the bottom search field. In that way, we only get results that include the instrument. Now that we have our limits set, we'll search the database using terms based on what we're interested in measuring. Let's say we're trying to help our 20-year-old who is diagnosed with generalized anxiety disorder, or GAD. One of the symptoms our client exhibits is difficulty making decisions without extensive reassurances from others. We would like to find a measure that will help us track the effect of our intervention on our client's symptoms. Using key concepts from our example in our search, anxiety and reassurance seeking, we'll add our terms to the search boxes and click Search to the right. Once our results come up, select the Preview option to the right of the test title to view the summary as you browse. The Reassurance Seeking Scale, or RSS, looks like a good choice. We know the instrument is available, and clicking on the link to the full text should take us to the PDF of the instrument. But we need to learn more about the RSS before we commit to using it. Click on the Abstract Details link above the abstract summary for more information about the instrument. We'll see the description again, and as we scroll down, we'll see information such as the purpose of the measure, format, and any additional permissions needed. At the very bottom of the instrument's record, we'll select the Show More section where we can view the validity and reliability summary along with other important information, like the original development study. To access the original testing of the instrument, find the article number in the citation information. You'll need to click through the article number and then the Find It at PC link to get to the full text. In the case of the RSS, we can find additional context. In particular, we might want to check to see how similar the background of our client is to the sample population tested. Usually, sample population information is in the methodology section of the article. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us for further assistance. Thank you for watching and good luck with your search.